Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my iced coffee. I get a lot of questions on Snapchat. I get a lot of questions like on YouTube. You guys see me drinking a coffee every single morning when I'm filming with you guys. So I thought I'd share with you guys exactly how I make it. But also give you guys alternative options, like cheaper options in case you don't have this machine right here. So this is the machine that I use. This is the machine that I stand by. I love it. I love the Ninja products. I just feel like the Ninja products in general are really good quality, especially this coffee machine right here. You guys can do over ice. You guys can also do a cafe forte, a specialty concentrated. You guys can do more of a rich brew, a classic brew. It has different sizes as well. You guys can do cappuccinos as well. So on this side of the machine, if you pull this out, it has a frother here. Pretty sure you guys can see it. So if I put the little thingy here, I have it somewhere here. I don't know. Here it is. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So if you put this here, you guys can just froth your milk and make like a cappuccino or something like that. I rarely use that. Sometimes when I'm feeling bougie and I want to make like a latte kind of thing, then I'll use that. First of all, this is my favorite coffee. This is the Café La Llave. I like espresso. I like coffee to taste strong. I either go with this one or Café Bustelo. Café Bustelo is also espresso. I don't know, I love the flavor. It's actually pretty strong. It's better than like Folgers or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how I would make my iced coffee here, and then I'm going to give you guys a different alternative. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in 1 cup like this, and then but I'm going to show you guys this. So this is reusable. You just wash it and you're good to go, which is what I like. I don't like the filters, you know, that you have to be replacing every once in a while. Once I do that, I'll select the measuring. I'm going to do an extra large cup for me. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start brewing my iced coffee. So I'll go ahead and put the extra large button there, and then I just click the over ice, and then it's going to start brewing right now. Alright guys, so as you guys know, Starbucks already has cold brew. You guys can use something like this if you're in the hurry and on the go. It just doesn't give me the jitters. It just doesn't really do anything to me. It'll kind of like trick my mind and be like, oh, you know, she's having iced coffee or whatever, but it just doesn't really do anything. But you have this option. They also have the iced coffee. This is the cold brew, which is supposed to be stronger, but it's not really stronger. And then you have the regular iced coffee. And then I did recently try this one, and I want to update you guys because as you guys can see, I'm almost running out. I always see Nicole Guerrero rave about this, as well as Jenny69, and to be very honest with you guys, it didn't really do much for me. It didn't give me the jitters. It didn't make me feel like energetic or anything like that, so I'm just gonna have to pass on this. So this right here is a French press. I discovered this when I used to work at Starbucks. I love this, you guys, because if you guys are like me and you guys like really strong coffee, then this is going to be your best friend, especially if you don't have a coffee machine like the one I do. This comes just in handy, and to be very honest with you guys, it's just in your fridge. So if you drink coffee on a daily, then you're just gonna pour it every day, and you can make it like overnight and stuff. So what I like to do is I like to take my Café La Llave and I like to scoop in 2 really big, maybe 3 because I'm that bitch. So 3 scoops like that, and it's nice and like filled with coffee in there. Now what I like to do is I like to just put some water. I'm just going to take any water that I have, and you want to fill it up like that. What you're going to do is you're going to let it sit here for, I want to say like a good couple of hours before you can drink it. I usually leave it overnight, and it is perfect. So let's say that this has been in the fridge for overnight or whatever. So you want to press this down. This is just going to press the coffee grounds down, and it does it pretty slowly. I don't know if you guys are able to tell right here. It's the lines going down as I'm pressing all of the grounds. Then you just serve it like this, and you have pretty strong espresso coffee. You just put ice and you put your creamer. This, to me, it's a much more cheaper alternative, you guys, and it works exactly the same. I used to do this for a really long time before Jesus bought me that machine. So just so you guys can have an idea that you guys can have the coffee that I drink just as strong, but without the big bulky machine, you know? So here's the coffee that I just brewed. It's pretty much chilled already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take my mason jar mug, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in here. Either take the hazelnut creamer, or I'll take this one right here. I'm gonna take this one just because I just bought this. This is the French vanilla coconut milk creamer. It's actually pretty gentle on the stomach. Sometimes I like to mix the creamers, and then I just like to dab some, and voila. But yeah guys, that was my recipe on the whole coffee situation. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to thumbs up the video and also subscribe down below if you're not yet part of our TSQUAD family. Let me know how you make your coffee down below. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram to see more recipes like this one. By the way, if you guys go follow me on Snapchat or Instagram right now, like right this second, like today, you guys are going to see my recipe for the protein balls. So go check that out. Bye guys.